Wow. What was that, dude? So this thing happened with me a couple of days ago, and it was very shocking because I have no idea how in the world that thing can happen. And a lot of you guys might think that this is very much common in India, and also ask me the questions that why didn't you went back to confront them? I'll answer everything. So firstly, I want you to understand my perspective. It's very simple. I was coming back home normally making a video, and out of nowhere this car approaches my face. Now as the car is approaching my face, I'm wondering that okay, he might be overtaking. That's very common in India. लोग सामने से आ रहे हो तब भी ओवरटेक करते हैं लोग, बहुत लोग ऐसे करते हैं. That is common. But the door was open. I was like, what can he be actually doing? Now on the other hand, if you look at this frame right over here, you can see that there's a reflection on the driver's side, right? And you cannot see the driver. Now that was my perspective. I was seeing a car approaching my face without a driver, alright? Without a driver and an open door. And with the open door, I was so much traumatized that what even in the world is happening? Because it was nothing very common, man. You don't see cars with open doors and no drivers regularly, okay? It's not common. It was something extraordinary, man, okay? So I was like, what in the world is happening to me? And क्या हो रहा है सामने से, क्या आ रही है भाई ये? And that guy was probably spitting out of his car. बहुत लोग कार का दरवाज़ा खोल के ही थूकते हैं. This is what they do. So after that thing happened, I stood at a place, and I was regaining my breath because I was so much anxious and I was so much nervous about what happened. I got my breath, and that is also a lesson that you should do, because going on to a person and trying to drive after such an incident is very much harmful for you. Your body is filled with power, filled with blood pressure, or you can say adrenaline, I guess, filled with that particular thing, and it's not really nice if you do anything after that. My hands were literally shaking, my body was shaking, and I was like, dude, kya ho gaya yaar ye? Now, after that, another question is, मैं क्यों नहीं गया to confront them? Why I didn't went to confront them back? Because firstly, जो हुआ वो बहुत जल्दी हुआ, मुझे पता भी नहीं चला ये हुआ क्या, and I was very lucky कि मैंने अपनी गाड़ी मोड़ ली फटाफट से. If I couldn't swerve my bike, not my bike by the way, if I couldn't swerve that bike, there were chances कि I will get slammed onto that door. Okay, this shit happens. But yeah, I managed to get that bike out of the situation. Thankfully, I ride a KTM, so I know how to maneuver any bike pretty well, and I have ridden the GT quite frequently, so my hands were starting to get fixed on the bike. There's also a reason I was not wearing gloves, because if I wore gloves and rode the bike, there might have been a situation where I couldn't really swerve the bike. So that's one of the points. Now, talking about why I didn't really went to confront them is because I was alone, man. I was alone, and there was no one behind me, no friends at that particular point. And what I saw was there were 4 people in the car. 4 people in the car, and when you are in India, you cannot confront people directly because it's not really safe. Okay, that guy was so stupid that he literally opened his door to spit something out. Do you think if I ever went to confront him back, something like he apologizing might happen? I don't think so. बिल्कुल भी ऐसा होता. Also, it's not really safe. You never know कौन क्या कर दे, right? अरे एम्बुलेंस आ रही भैया, रुक जाओ, एम्बुलेंस आ रही है. Would it be really safe for me to confront a guy who actually drive recklessly, whose doors were open, and he was spitting out of the car while while the car was moving, and that too on a curve where people can eventually come. The thing was, I was a biker. If I was a truck, the car would have been crushed and the family would have died on spot. Trust me on that. Or they might have got badly hurt. This is actually a thing. Now, I thought that there were like 4 people in the car. That's also the reason I didn't really went back to confront them. People in India these days are very much not really worth your time, man. They're not really worth to argue with them. They're not really worth to talk with them about anything that they do which is wrong. It feels really bad. Now, if you talk about have I taken any actions against him, not now, not till now. But yeah, in the reel that I shared, a lot of people had tagged Doon police and Uttarakhand police to actually take action against that particular person. And I don't think any actions have been taken till now. But yeah, these kind of drivers are the ones who completely don't care about their own life, their family's life, and about others' life. Because खुद की परवाह नहीं करते, दूसरों की परवाह कैसे ही होगी, right? So these kind of things happen. You should be very much aware. And I was having my riding boots on, my helmet on. मैं recording कर रहा था, helmet on हो गई. You might say that भाई तूने proper gear नहीं पहने हुए हैं. Yeah, I don't really have proper gear right now, but I was still 85% more safe compared to the people in India. So that's one of the things. A good helmet, a good pair of riding boots. Gloves nahi the because obviously the bike was not mine, so I don't really want to get a bad grip on the handlebar and eventually do something which is not really safe. Another reason was ki bhai yaar, the bike was not mine. Bike was owned by Aditya, and I was there to make a video with that, but things were very much drastic, man. They were like so drastic. The situation, my mood was so much happy. Trust me on this, my mood was so much happy. I made 2 videos. I was just coming back home normally, yaar, ekdam maze karte hue, enjoying my movement, enjoying the symphony of the bike, enjoying the twin cylinders, enjoying the loud exhaust, enjoying the power and everything. But my mood suddenly got ruined because of that particular thing. Again, guys, a light lesson for you. If you ever like encounter any particular incident or anything like that, I would want you guys to eventually stop at a point, take some deep breaths, calm yourself down, uske baad hi do a particular move, because that is the only thing which is very much beneficial. Otherwise you might end up in a situation that's not really worth it for you and for other people as well. And never confront people. अगर आप अकेले हो तो बिल्कुल मत करना. अगर आपके साथ है कोई 3-4 और आपको लगता है कि आप कर लो, कन्फ्रंट कर भी लोगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, तो आप आराम से कर सकते हो. People were also saying that you should have kicked this door. I surely would have kicked this door, but the thing was वो बिल्कुल ही जल्दी हुआ. Trust me on this. It was in an instant, and trust me, it was so quick that I couldn't even react on time properly. The best thing is I did move my handlebar and I got out of that situation. I don't consider myself lucky, but I consider myself decently skilled, so I don't really have to talk about that now. But whatever. The world is full of idiots, and also this thing might ruin a lot of people's respect towards a certain country, and especially the biker community. Because bikers तो यूं ही बदनाम है, बदनाम करने वाले भी बहुत लोग हैं. And there are bikers itself, there are car people, there are some bus people, but they all are human beings, man. So there are certain human beings on our beautiful planet that are not really worth messing with. Nice alloys, man. अच्छा लग रहा है. I just want you guys to enjoy अभी भी. I don't want you guys to be like, वो मेरे साथ ऐसा हो गया, मैं कभी ड्राइव नहीं करूँगा, ये वो. सो इट्स वेरी स्टूपिड टू थिंक लाइक दैट. ओके, हुआ है, कोई नहीं, होता रहता है यार. दैट इज़ लाइफ. यू नेवर नो व्हाट माइट हैपन विद यू. I will obviously continue the story if something happens, if police takes an action on that particular person. And because these people are very much needed to be punished. If you don't punish these people or put a fine on them, they would eventually be very much at a point where they won't really care about anything. अगर उसका एक बार चलान होगा properly, if that person will get a proper fine or any kind of a sentence, that is going to be the best thing, because he won't repeat such actions. I'll see you in the next one.